Sine squared plus cos squared is equal to what? The answer to this one is just 1. It's one of the Pythagorean identities. So meron kang, again, sine squared plus cos squared is equal to 1. 96, given the series 1, 5, 13, 29, what is the sixth term? So dito, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4. So hinahanap natin yung sixth term. Pero to do that, we need first to find ano yung pattern dito. Pansin natin, dito meron kang 4, dito meron kang 8, dito meron kang 16. You add 16. So meaning to say, dito, you will add 32. Tapos dito, you're gonna add 64. So ano yung 29 plus 32? That will just give you 61. Tapos 61 plus 64, that gives you 125. 97. Find the sum of the arithmetic series 1, 5, 9, 13, 45. So dito, pinapahanap yung sum. Alam naman natin, di ba, yung sum of arithmetic series, this is just sum is equal to n over 2. Tapos a sub 1 plus a sub n. Yung n natin is the number of elements, no? So dito, ilan ba yung ating n? We don't know, di ba? Alam natin yung a1 natin, a sub 1 is 1. Tapos yung a sub n natin is 45. But we don't know ilan yung n natin. So to solve for n, ang gagawin natin is this. An is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1. Tapos yung ating common difference na d. Ang common difference natin dito is 4 lang, di ba? 4, 4, 4. So, ang mangyayari, meron kang an. An is 45. That is 45 equals, ang a sub 1 is 1 plus, again, we don't know our n. Tapos alam natin this is 4. So, solve lang natin. 45 minus 1 is 44. Tapos, this equals to n minus 1 times 4. Divide natin everything by 4. Meron tayong 11 equals n minus 1. So, yung ating n is equal to 12. Alright? So, yung n natin is 12. So, we can now use this formula. So, meron tayong s is equal to, ano yung 12 over 2? That is just 6. Tapos, ano yung 1 plus 45? That is just 46, diba? So, multiply mo lang siya together. This is 240. 46 times 6. This is 36. This is 24. This is 276, which is letter A in the choices. Number 98. A circle with equation x minus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 4 is on the xy coordinate plane. What is the point on the circle opposite to 0, 2, which is also on the circle? So, yung circle natin, meron kang circle dyan. Ano ba yung center nito? Di ba ang center nito is just 2 and then 2? Ang yung center natin, yung radius is 2. So, dito, ito yung center natin which is 2, 2. 2, 2. And yung radius again is 2. Asan yung point? 0, 2. Ang point 0, 2 will be from 0 yung x, y is 2. So, meaning to say it's somewhere here, di ba? Nandito lang yan. That is again 0, 2. So, ang sabi, what is the point on the circle opposite ng 0, 2? So, ano yung coordinate dito? Alam mo na, you just gonna move to the right twice. So, mag-increase yung x mo. Mayroong 4 and then 2. That is just letter D in the choices. Follow for more.